Both professors and students use the printer. Professors use it to research sustainable materials, emerging materials, working with HeartSmart on new materials that are being developed for the market. The printer is really easy to profile and adapt to these new materials so that they can be used, tested, different parameters changed to not only focus on printability, but end result for the user. So the future plans for this printer are really exciting. There are new sustainable materials that we get to hear about from HeartSmart that we can explore and use in this printer. We have a course called Biophilic Design, where it brings elements from nature into, kind of that product landscape, where we plan on using more sustainable materials. At Iowa State, we teach a philosophy of sustainability, not just as a buzzword, but actually showing them what that looks like. And that printer really facilitates that process of, how do we integrate sustainable materials into additive manufacturing and not just say this is a recyclable material, but really how this can look for our planet at the end result. What HeartSmart's done with this open source interface is transition something we're already used to for printing and slicing software and allow users to walk up to it and literally with one button, click and upload, allow prints to get started on it. So it couldn't be easier from a standpoint of getting prints started. And with an integrated webcam inside the machine, we can watch the prints from start to finish and be able to be more efficient on the back end to be ready to go for the next print. We can talk to them about, what are the possibilities, what we can control and change on that, what that means for these prints, rather than it just being a material or a machine that's proprietary and it's kind of in a black box. We actually get to grow with the machine and the process itself.